Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. First up, we got the gaming and entertainment giant Supreme Ventures Limited, ticker symbol SVL, a subsidiary resignation announcement. Mr. Dastani Barrow, co-general manager for Supreme Ventures Enterprise Inc. Supreme Ventures has quite a bit of companies. In this case, a wholly owned subsidiary of SVL. He resigned effective October 8th, 2021. Now, Wisynco Group Limited, disclosure of stock traded. In this case here, Wisynco Group trading in their shares here on the buy side, which is a good sign to see. That's what you want to see company insiders doing, whether you have the stock or you don't, or you're on the sidelines for Wisynco. Remember, we spoke about Wisynco recently. They have Jamaican $8 billion of cash on that balance sheet, probably on the hunt for deals by their board of directors and their management team. Let's see what happens over the next couple of months and 2022. Now, 180,000 shares here purchased by a director of the company, September 23rd, 2021, and it's under Wisynco's long-term incentive plan. Now, 1834 Investments Limited, retirement of a director here. That's Mr. Maureen Seymour. He's a CD from the board of directors, effective May 26, 2021. A little bit of a tardy release here by 1834 Investments, but better late than never. Now, the board of the company expresses its gratitude to Mr. Seymour for his 21 years of service to 1834 Investments. Now, Margaritaville Turks Limited, some earnings reports coming out here, burning some more cash, unfortunately, for their first quarter 2022. But the management discussion analysis makes it clear that the chairman, the board of directors, is very bullish on the cruise liner market, the cruise lines getting back going in Turks, similar to what we're seeing here in Jamaica, getting a couple of cruise lines here in Jamaica going again. So this is for the first quarter for August 31st, 2021, but fiscal 2022. Last up tonight, Jamaica's Ice Cream, Caribbean Cream Limited, better known as Creamy, just taking market share. Huge play here. 6 months revenue surging above Jamaican $1 billion. Big ones here for Creamy. Now, Creamy tends to put in a clinker, a down quarter once in a while, and then a couple huge quarters, but the down quarter, don't read into it too much. That's the second quarter here, reflective with lower earnings per share or profit. EPS 2 cents or 7.2 million Jamaican net profit versus 46.9 million Jamaican, in 2020 or year over year. The point here is that market share, property, plant, and equipment, jumping big time. Inventories jumping big time. They're growing capacity. They spoke about the Ocho Rios depot. And what they're really doing is taking that market share and probably just taking a hit there in admin expenses and so forth. Total equity climbing, 869 million Jamaican dollars. And the key takeaway is Creamy, cash a bit down, but inventories, property, plant, and equipment, debt a little bit up. But when you balance that all out, Creamy gearing up and taking massive market share, and look for them to have a better quarter coming up. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.